Welcome to DJM TV.
Make una come listen to why Peter Obi bring plasma TV come court yesterday to prove more evidence.
My correct people, we greet una. We welcome una to DJM TV, where ogbonge tori and update dey shele. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una.
Yesterday for court, Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of Labour Party with the lawyers carry big plasma TV enter court to showcase more evidence to prove how INEC take do mago-mago for this past presidential election. Some analysts don come talk and analyse the whole process according to the way wey the case dey go. Make I leave una now, make una watch this video and hear wetin dem get to talk about the whole mago-mago processes with INEC and BVAS and all. Anyway, my people, make una watch the video wey dey come.
That very TV to showcase different things wey be say make these justices dey see and all of that. E get anyway, we go see how that thing go take pan out. But as we dey talk now for inside court, argument dey and you know say witness also dem plenty, dem dey for court, plus all those IREF documents wey be say dem carry come yesterday. Today dem carry more come. So many things dey go on now. So we dey try to get that very things as the thing dey come out from court, make we for project am. So but we go move forward. E get one witness. This one na your area of experts. E get one witness wey PDP dem talk say dem go bring come, and dem suppose dey present those people today. But as e take be, e be like say e don. But wetin that very particular this thing, wetin dem put for their petition when dem dey bring am come, because dem put that thing inside their petition. Dem start to dey talk how they replace one ICT experts wey dey with INEC, wey dem dey call Chidinwafo. They talk say na that person na dey work with INEC, say wey be say gritty and all that. They say dem come replace am, come bring somebody wey Tinubu recommend according to wetin article in dem lawyers talk, and when dem go, they say dem go bring testimony for that person go come testify. So but wetin they talk say the person go testify, now they bring come now, make our people for know and make our lawyers wey dey also hear this very something, make them know how dem go bring am, because as dem talk say dem consolidate PDP and Labour Party petitions. Although me I no know wetin the consolidation mean, no, but e be like say dem go take them as dem dey take dey come. Maybe some things join, maybe then they talk the same thing somehow. So I dey bring this one now come, because wetin dem talk where that testimony go come, the thing where the person go testify na how INEC employ somebody, IT consultant, wey can compromise BVAS. And wetin dey interesting for this very for inside where they write that very testimony, dem talk say the BVAS no be the original thing as BVAS come 9 as e dey now, say e don change. That's why INEC no wan release the BVAS wey dem dey talk since. Say that very BVAS dem compromise am, wey be say the presidential results, the upload no go. Then e say dem dey call that very something DMS. Dem talk say na device, they say it's known as device management system. Me I no be specialist for this kind, they are big grammar, but I know say you go know. But dem talk say that very thing e go compromise the bimodal voter accreditation system, that is BVAS, and the IREF portal itself. Now this very DMS, dem tell court say na software that we allow that INEC IT security consultant and then call him name. So me, I go mention the name as then take call him. They say na Mr. Farouk. And they say this very DMS, say Mr. Farouk use them to remotely control, monitor and filter data from the Beaver device to the electronic collation system and the IREF platform. Now so they take talk am. So this very one, me I know they too knowledgeable about this DMS and how they talk say this man. But then talk say na Tinubu recommend the man to INEC so that you go manage him well, this Mr. Farouk. And this man go oversee the sensitive ICT departments of INEC for the purpose of that election. Now so then take talk. So I can't talk say I go bring them up, make you see, they say that they shall lead evidence to show that contrary to the original design of the Beavers machine to upload data directly to the electronic collation system and the IREF portal, that INEC contrived and installed an intervening third-party device known as device management system, which in its ordinary usage is meant to secure and administer the INEC technological ecosystem to the elections. But as it relates to the presidential election, it was used to intercept the results, quarantine and warehouse the result, and filter them before releasing them to IREF portal. I beg, me I no be expert for this thing, but as they take talk you will be say you know about yesterday, you tell us say you get some knowledge or forensic this thing where you don't do. Say you go know. So I say make I bring and make you for talk am, because if this thing na true, it go show say the reason why everybody they try to upload, like those witnesses who come yesterday, all of them testify say they try to upload, no gree go. So now they talk say na this Farouk na him do am, and this one they come out from PDP a witness where they won't bring come, saying go show say they tamper with that very Beavers. And me I come the suspect maybe now make INEC no one release the Beavers. Waiting you think can make you tell us, I beg.
It's a very simple thing. If you are a device technician, for instance, when Zenith Bank or Guaranteed Trust Bank wants to hire, they are looking for some people who are very good with the hardware or software engineering. You don't need to go to Zenith Bank and go and start learning how much people bring in and how much people are collecting. They will interview you and you will tell them your competence, because they have a problem that only you can solve, because you have competence in equipment and its manipulation. In the same way, in this particular situation, the Beavers is a device, it's a physical device, and it has a programming that is running on it, just like our phones are physical device that has either Android or iOS operating system running on it. That Android, when you buy it, there is what is called factory reset. That is the way iPhone made that phone to be. But when you buy it, you begin to modify it to suit us for you. All those things. Those are the things you are likely to do, even how you lock it. But let me give us an instance. You know that I think some of our banks in Nigeria, Zenith Bank and Co., if you log into your account and there is this automatic generated password, if you want to go again, that password will change. That is a system in the banking system to secure you, but it can be used against you. How do I mean? If what we're hearing here is anything to go by, then there is a possibility that indeed the polling officers, those people who conducted the election, they may have been given password by INEC, but there may have been an interception in the Beavers that says that that password will be changing after every 10 minutes or after every 20 minutes but those polling officers, that POs, they are not giving the correct one. So when they entered the password that they were given, it didn't work, because you will remember that a lot of them were saying they gave us password. Our password was not going through because someone was somewhere instructing the beavers to malfunction and generate a new password every 20 minutes or every 30 minutes, as the case may be. That is a smart way to protect the system, but now it can be used to destroy the process. You see, to protect the system, which is the equipment, and to destroy the process, which is processing the uploading of the result. And the whole intention is to make it impossible for the result to be uploaded from the polling unit, so that they can have time to go and use TPEX the result, to rewrite the result, to manipulate it, to make some to become overvoted, like we mentioned in our ballot, and to create a result where it did not exist. That is the whole intention. The whole intention was to defeat the purpose of uploading right from the polling unit, and they succeeded 99.9% in the case of presidency. Because in the case of the National Assembly, the Senate and the House of Rep, it was working comfortably well. The same equipment. It's like if you have your phone. You know, people have their phone and they lock certain apps on their phone. For instance, your WhatsApp, you can say my WhatsApp, it cannot come on until I enter my password. So even if someone gains access into your phone, the person can make call and do other things, but cannot enter your WhatsApp. Most of the phones we have, you can enter the picture and take pictures and take videos without entering the phone. So what they did is the same kind of thing to make it impossible for the polling officers to have access to the utilization of the side of the beavers where it will function in the issue of the National Assembly. But when it comes for the presidency, they got knocked out. So I am happy that the lawyers have been able to spot what happened, and I am happy that they have brought professionals that will prove beyond reasonable doubt that there was nothing like a glitch. Whatever glitch they call it was manufactured glitch by the same person who is complaining that there is a glitch. INEC introduced it. INEC utilized it against Nigerians, and I am happy. But my prayer once again is, will the judges listen to these experts? Will the judges say, okay, even if it happened, we can correct it? Like today, I was listening to INEC talking nonsense that they are now reviewing what happened in the election to make sure it didn't happen in another election. That is not what we want. We want justice in this 2023 election. We don't want the mess that happened to go like that. So,
hey my people, not be smart thing o. Hey, how una see this smart? How una is it that the tori wey dey talk about this and that and that? How una see am, my people? Hey, anyway, my people, make una drop una comment for the comment section una see this so tori, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
DJ AP.